Brick. Written and directed by Rian Johnson in 2005, it belongs to the neo-noir/thriller genre. The film follows a student called Brendan as he looks to uncover what happened to his girlfriend before her death. The film begins at Emily's death. This makes the narrative of Brick a reflective one. The film begins with a short clip of Brendan speaking to his girlfriend on the phone. She sounds very scared and very distressed. This is just before her death. The bluish filter and the low angle, which is slightly canted, establishes the film in the neo-noir genre as it puts the audience on straight away on a uneasy feel, and it also follows the codes and conventions of a classic noir film. The femme fatale is a massive convention within film noir, and the femme fatale is conveyed through the character Laura within Brick. Laura is the character who set up Brendan's ex-girlfriend, and this is what led to her death. However, at first, Laura is introduced at a house party, which is at her house. The house is a very luxurious house, which is typical when looking at the femme fatale, as they are normally very glamorous, very promiscuous and provocative. The costume used in Bricks for the femme fatale are just normal clothes. They're not typically glamorous and provocative, which is the usual conventions in film noir, so this kind of subverts the usual ones. This allows the audience to eventually like her until they find out that she played a part in Brenda's girlfriend's death. The creators of Brick have used a vast range of shots. Many are typical of the film noir genre. There are many extreme close-ups. Some of these look at Emily's deceased hand lying in the water. This creates a shocking effect to the audience and makes them feel worried and on edge. There are many low-angle shots and long shots used, which make the audience feel uneasy and quite distressed. Editing. The editing typically follows the codes and conventions of film noir. The editors of Brick have chosen to use a low saturation and blue tint. This creates a unique and memorable yet uneasy feel to the film. Rather like classic noirs, even if they are in black and white, try to give this uneasy feel within the editing. Brick uses many crossfades and jump cuts, both of which create tension and move the narrative along. These are fairly unusual when looking at film noir films, however, they suit the film. The lighting within Brick is a single source lighting. This means it is usually filmed in the sunlight, which much of the scenes in Brick are set in the day. This actually subverts the codes and conventions of film noir, as they are usually set in the evening to create the mysterious feel that the characters give off and the genre is.